so far so good. We've covered week 1, we've covered week 2, and we've covered week 3. The last topic left for us to cover in week 3 is creating a simple portfolio website. But so far we've learned how to use Elementor. I've introduced you to Elementor templates, how to create business websites, how to create a blog website, and how to go about working with widgets. So this will be your first project. Develop a portfolio website or a business website on your main domain name. We already have an installation on your main domain name already. I'll show you how to remove it. So quickly log into your cpanel. After logging into your cpanel, scroll all the way down to WordPress. I'm going to click on WordPress. So what we're trying to do is to remove the default website we have on masterclass already on your main domain name. So if I click on masterclass.name.ng, all I want to do is remove all the contents here, how to delete everything, how to install a new WordPress so I can develop my own portfolio website or business website. So log into your cpanel, scroll down, click on WordPress, and you come here. So you have to scroll down and you see all your installation. As you can see, we have the main installation on our domain name, which is masterclass.name.ng, and we have the one on our subdomain. Now I want to build your portfolio website or your business website on your main domain name, so I'll be uninstalling this particular one right here, the first one. I'm going to click on that. It brings me here and I'll click remove installation. Okay, cool. I just removed my WordPress installation on my main domain name. I should come back to this page to reload this page. As you can see, I've deleted the WordPress on this particular installation. No content there again. Now our previous installation is gone. To install a new WordPress on your main domain name, you have to log into your cpanel again. I'm going to log into my cpanel, and this time around I will install WordPress again. I'm going to scroll all the way down, come to Softaculous app installer. I'm going to click on WordPress and follow the same process of installing WordPress. I'm going to click here. This time around I want to install to my domain name because I already deleted the previous installation there, masterclass.name.ng. Click on it, clear this box, set a username, set a password, site name, site description, click on install, and go ahead to build your personal business website or your personal portfolio website. That will be your first project. So this will be the end of the 3rd week, and from next week we'll start learning how to build an e-commerce website. Before then, I remain Moses, and I'll see you later.